Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to log out from WhatsApp on your phone, even though there's no official logout button. So let's go. Unlike Facebook or Instagram, WhatsApp does not have a direct logout option, but I'll show you the safest way to log out without deleting your chats and also how to back them up first. If you want to keep your chats, do this first. Open WhatsApp, tap three dots menu icon in the top right corner, go to settings, then tap chats, scroll down and locate the option called chat backup and tap on it and tap backup to Google Drive or iCloud. Now to log out, we will clear app data. Go to your phone settings, locate the option called apps or app management, scroll down and select WhatsApp, scroll down and find this option called storage, and tap clear data or clear storage. This locks you out completely and resets WhatsApp to its welcome screen. Next time you open WhatsApp, you will need to enter your phone number and restore chats from the backup if you made one. And that's how you log out of WhatsApp on your phone the smart way. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more mobile tips and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.